Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update video. I just got a call from my boss and I officially lost my job. And not more than 12 minutes later, I got confirmation to go in tomorrow at 8 in the morning and sign papers to start working with the company that I've been at for the last 2 weeks. So the shortest unemployment in my life, 12 minutes. So, I mean, not really. I mean, I was already working for this place, but anyways, so I don't know, does that make sense? Anyways, so I'm going to sign papers tomorrow morning to start working with this company full time or whatever. So, not with my old company anymore because I don't have any work. So, I will be at this new company and new job site Monday. So, taking tomorrow off and gonna make some type of talking video tomorrow. So, hopefully, you guys enjoy that. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'm on Xbox right now. Just living it up on Fortnite. So if you guys want to play with me, add me. Enjoy playing with you guys. Played with a handful of you guys. Last person, Arkansas Dipper. So come join the fun and have some gaming time with me. Appreciate that. Information down below. Gamer tag Corvette Cali and Epic ID the Corvette Kid. So see you guys later, and maybe I'll do a live stream soon, but anyways, never mind. Okay, maybe not. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.